You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this Latin expression. Yes, there are different pronunciations in English, indeed. So we need to clarify what's going on here. This is a Latin sequence. Dies Irae is the most common pronunciation in English, but there are alternative pronunciations. Dies Irae also exists, and the more Latin pronunciation would be Dies Irae or Dies Irae. So, Dies Irae, you're safe if you say Dies Irae, that's definitely correct in English, but Dies Irae is also correct, even Dies Irae. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.